We are often asked what you have to consider when processing our iglidur tribofilaments. And the short answer is, it's not that different to processing standard technical materials. I will show you some simple steps to process our iglidur i180 tribofilament, such as drying the material, preparing the printer, and choosing the right parameters. On the question of a suitable printer for this material, we recommend a printer with an enclosed build volume and actively heated build chamber that can reach up to 80 degrees Celsius, especially for bigger parts. On top, the printer should have an active filtration of the exhaust air. The first important step is to dry the filament. All the tribofilaments are delivered in a sealed vacuum bag. However, we recommend drying the material before the first print job and also after storing the material for some time. For this, we are using a separate filament drying unit. And for this, we are selecting ABS as a drying profile, which works well in this case regarding the temperatures. The material should be dried for 4 to 6 hours at least. And if the material has too much moisture, it can be recognized by the material oozing out of the nozzle when the nozzle is hot, which will leave stringing or residue on the printed parts. And also we can have bad surface quality due to over-extrusion on the topmost layer. And moisture in the filament during processing can also negatively impair the mechanical properties of the material and also the precision of the printed part. After drying, we can load the filament into the printer. And here we can also select a generic profile for ABS, which will have the according temperatures in this case. And we will select the perfect settings for this material in the slicing software afterwards. The next step is to prepare the print surface. We can clean the surface with soapy water and isopropyl alcohol to remove any fingerprints and other residue. These PEI-coated magnetic sheets are well suited for the i180 tribofilament. However, we recommend to also apply a thin layer of our adhesion promoter for tribofilaments. And this can also be used on other surfaces such as glass. It will promote a strong bond during printing when the print plate is hot, and it will allow to release the part easily when it's cooled off. For the perfect parameters, we offer a detailed document that can be downloaded from our web shop. This can also be accessed directly by scanning the QR code on the spool. I will note here that the extrusion factor for the material has to be reduced to about 92 to 95%. And for popular printers such as the Bambu Lab, we offer a ready-made profile that's also available for download on our web shop. And this will give you the perfect start to process our filament. And now we can already start the first print job. And all we have to do is to monitor the first layers to make sure that everything works as it should. After the print job, when the print plate has cooled down, the part can be easily removed. And can now be post-processed, such as we can drill holes, ream bearing surfaces, or add threaded inserts. And a successful print with iglidur i180 can be identified by smooth and silky matte surfaces, a smooth top layer without any over-extrusion, and a part that is not warped in any way. And that's already it. By adhering to these simple steps, iglidur i180 can be printed easily and your project will be successful. Thanks for your attention.